Blah, 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 blah. Right, here we go. We are going to talk about logic. Today, you will determine if the truth values of negations and conjunctions are on disjunctions. So you will determine truth values. Are you telling the truth or are you lying? Are you trying to tell me something wrong? What are you trying to say? Let's find out, shall we? Okay, so some of this we should already know. A statement is a sentence that is either true or false, which is called the truth value. Because when we know if it's true or false, we know its truth value. Statements are often represented with letters such as P and Q. P or Q, I'm sorry. Like I could say a rectangle is a quadrilateral. You know, that's the statement. So now a rectangle is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, that's an L. So that could be just a statement. And then like when I see P and Q, you know, you could write out the statements and join them together, that type of thing. Okay, so a negation of a statement has the opposite truth value. The notation is used is not P or that squiggly line P. Notice it's only a single squiggly. A compound statement is two or more statements joined by and, or, and, or. Okie dokie. So, a compound statement joined by and is called a conjunction. Conjunction. So I could say P and Q. P with a little up arrow, Q. To be true, both P and Q have to be true. A disjunction is joined by an or, P or Q. Notice that the upside down, the V shape. If at least one of the statements is true, at least one, then the disjunction is true. That means the whole thing is true. For example, well, actually, let's talk about truth tables. A truth table is a way of organizing the truth values of statements. So look, how this works is, and I'll try to give you an example. So, but write this down. A negation, if P is true, then this negation is false. If P is false, then this negation is true. In a conjunction, if I say both P and Q are true, whoopsie, let's do that again. If I say both P and Q are true, then the whole thing is true, the conjunction. Because this right here represents the conjunction. Okay? If I say P is false, Q is true, it doesn't matter because P is false, the whole thing is still false. If I say it the other way around, it's still false. If I say both of them are false, then guess what? The whole thing is false. Oh, wow, really? I never would have thought that. Okay, so there you go. So this right here represents the conjunction. Keep that in mind. So in a disjunction, I'll let that one play through. Again, notice that there's only one way for it to be false. Both of them have to be false. So in a disjunction, if at least one of them is true, then the disjunction, the big statement together is true. Okay. So let's try some things here. Okay, so let's say you have this illustration and it says DB bisects angle ADC. That's true because you can see here I've got these little marks here that show that that's true. And that CDB, points CDB are collinear. Well, that's false because B, D, and C are not on the same line. So if I say something like P and Q, which would say DB bisects ADC and points CDB are collinear, that would be false because Q is false. But if I were to say or P and Q, or P or Q, then because DB does bisect ADC, then the whole statement, the disjunction is true. So that's kind of where, and how would a truth table kind of help us with that? Because we could see here that like if we go back here, like on this one, and I'll change it to a different highlight. There we go. Okay, if I go here, I knew this was true, true, false. Or true, false, false. So that made it like, because P was true, but Q was false, then the whole thing was false. But if you go to the next one and say, okay, true, false, notice that when I say true, then false, the disjunction is still true. Okay, So that gives us an idea on how this works, and just kind of keep it short and sweet, and we'll look at some more problems and some more examples of this another day. Anyways, that is it for today. Thank you so much for your time, and y'all take care.